Going to take you on one of the many walks that I do on Camposol. We're on Sector C, right at the back end. So, hope you enjoy it. So we're just coming along this track now. This is Camposol B. This is where they get the drinking water from. Now it's got Camposol B, but B is right in the distance. C is just down the hill, so I don't really understand that. There's a little reservoir there with some wildlife on, so we'll have a nose at that. Okay, so I've finished now. I've got to the destination I wanted to do. So what I've done really, I've walked from the back end of C along the ridge line to the back end of D. But look, what a fantastic view, isn't it? Now I've come out here not really planning what to do. I've never been along here before anyway, but it's fantastic landscape. Okay, so it's a bit bland in one sense. Lovely blue sky. There's not a lot of greenery, that's for sure. But I've captured some flowers, which is what I wanted to do anyway. Also wanted to see what the route was, and obviously the view. So, yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this. This is what it's all about, getting out and about, not even with a camera really, just getting out and about, walking, exploring, finding new paths. In Camposol, this is just a small sector of it really. There's hundreds of paths that you can walk about. I mean, there's paths all down there, there's paths here. Yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Keep watching, and I'll catch you on the next one, when it's warmer.